time to eat this bitch. Drop out.
$5, man.
Yeah, no, not just you. I didn't just pop you in your ass. You didn't just got hit in your ass by yourself. Boom! Hey, if it ain't bitch, I can't fucking lose.
Yeah.
It ain't fucking bitch.
So fucking town. So they he don't need to pay them.
Don't need to pay. It wasn't the right treat.
Yeah. So that automatically cancel everything.
They automatically cancel everything.
Okay.
You don't need to pay a motherfucking thing.
They talking about pay first and then we'll rerun it.
It wasn't the right treat.
Okay.
No, nobody needs to pay shit.
Okay. They just need to redo it.
They need to redo it or leave it alone.
Okay.
It wasn't the right treat.
Okay, bet. Yeah.
Hey, get on the
See, Funky Town, no. Right lane for the win. I'm finna tell Funky Town that somebody said, look out. Hey, what's up with it, man? Somebody on here talking about some chase is a race, Funky Town.
Hey, now, if they agree on the tree, that's what that is. You don't pay a motherfucking thing. That wasn't the right tree.
Okay.
Redo it or leave that shit alone.
Okay.
Don't nobody pay shit.
Okay, bet. Don't nobody pay shit. He didn't cut off, but he got that juke up. Lane for the win. That bike went around him, y'all.
Popped the wheelie at like 100 or 200 feet. That shit's scary.
Let's see what this is coming up, y'all. Oh, I need to go over there real quick. Do it again. bet, Scott.
I just told my brother that. There you go. Oh, God. That's the only way these niggas did.
Went and ran him down. He ran him down.
Hey, sweet, get over here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he went and got him. Look out, what's up with it? Nothing much. Chilling on. You had some tacos, yeah?
They good.
Yeah.
Bust, boy. LC better not take no L to this nigga.
LC better not. Tienes araña. They got it.
They hit that motherfucker up. Put that bitch on hill trying to hurt us tonight. Yeah. We ready. Y'all done fucked up and gave me oil pressure and I'm ready. Blow that bitch up trying to fuck with my truck tonight, goddammit.
Araña. Oh, I got a new follower. You ready, Way? You betting. I know you betting. I see you leaning on the car.
You said you cleaned us last week, right? When we do it tonight, you want to bet on the light?
Let's make this race happen.
I know, but the race happens, you want to bet on the Honda light though, because you set up your boy Treed, my boy.
What you told me, he said no, he didn't. I told you, all right.
No, I don't tell me. Let's bet on the light. The whole side bet. Good, because I came to be a bully tonight, goddamn. I don't give a damn. I came to be a bully. I don't give a damn.
He's bullying.
You locked it in. I said, fuck it.